flash report on Baloncam.com Ballesteros live as we give you an on-the-spot report of the incident where two manholes of Globe Network located near the function hall of Ballesteros, Cagayan were reported to have been blasted off allegedly by a group of almost 10 armed men believed to be members of the New People's Army, so they say. Last night, June 10, 2010, at around 9:54 in the evening. And in the event, it was reported that the group happened to chance upon one member of the Philippine National Police who was near the site and had to disarm him and ran off with his firearms. Now, authorities are now on the go at the moment, conducting initial investigations to establish details of the blasting. It was further claimed by cablemen of the network that almost 7 Asian countries are to be affected by the damaged manholes, meaning no connectivity is to be availed of. Now you have to watch it out right here for more updates on Baloncam.com Ballesteros.
I just want the globe.
So definitely po, we are trying to gather information as to the impact po ng nitong pangyayaring dito. Pero at the moment po ay inantabayan daw natin ang press relation officer ng Globe. Although nandito na yung mga friends natin from the Globe Network. While investigation is going on. At ito po we are outside the police line while the investigation is going on. And we will try to find out po kung ano magiging epekto nito dahil marami po tayong mga consumers po ang affected nitong pagsabog nitong parang isang mainline po ito connecting us to several Asian countries, and definitely palagay po natin nitong pagsabog na ito ay affected po yung mga services ng Globe sa, we are referring to 7 Asian countries na affected po nito.
Pupuntahan ko yung ano. Sige.
So napag-alaman po natin na talaga pinagbabawal ang paglapit dito. We don't have to cross itong police line na nakikita natin.
888, 38,
Definitely po ay pinabawalan po ang ating mga kababayan na lumapit mismo dun sa butas na kung saan nangyari po yung pagsabog ng dalawang manholes ng Globe.
5888.
Nakita na po natin na ang ex-vice mayor, ang former vice mayor ng bayan ng Ballesteros who dropped by just for a visit, si dating vice mayor Nicolas Uclus po.
Thank you. Grabe, ito pala garanag siya. Basta baka business rival na to.
Hindi po natin masabi yan, no? Investigation is going on. So, alamin natin ang mga kabuuan ng mga pangyayari sa pamamagitan po ng ongoing na initial investigations ng ating authorities. At we shall be giving you any updates po na mapipick up natin direct from where the action is.
Pero na-survey na. Sa the finish part.